Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia XR20 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to enter the advanced and right under it we've got the wallpaper section, so simply tap. And as you can see at the very top you can check the preview of the home screen and lock screen, and under it we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, but be aware that they will be visible only if you will have the internet connection. If not, you will only be able to pick something from My Photos, and this is actually your own gallery or on device wallpapers which are defaultly installed here. Since I've got the internet connection, let me pick something from those albums, for example live option, and as you can see here we've got plenty of the wallpapers from which we can choose, and all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here. I can change the position of it. If you cannot, then it means that this option is not active, so simply tap on this arrow icon and you will be able to change the position of the photo. You will be able to zoom it in or out. It's really up to you how you want to set it. What's more, you can check also how it will look like on the home screen and lock screen, so it will look actually the same. Here you've got the information that this photo is by Marvelous, and so on and so on. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in order to confirm. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. As you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been changed successfully, so let's get back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied immediately. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.